Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hard reset a Sonos Move wireless speaker. To perform a hard reset on a Sonos Move wireless speaker, first you have to ensure that your speaker is powered on. Then you have to go back to your speaker and then press and hold the join button and the play and pause button simultaneously. Then you have to keep holding both buttons until the light on the top of the speaker flashes amber and white. This typically take about 5 to 10 seconds. Then you have to release the button once the light start flashing. After that your speaker will be resetted. After the reset you need to set up the Sonos Move speaker once again by the Sonos app on your device. For that you have to follow the app instruction to reconnect the speaker to your Wi-Fi network and configure any settings. Once your speaker is set up, test the Sonos Move to ensure that it is functioning correctly. Hopefully this video will help you to reset your Sonos Move wireless speaker. Thanks for watching.